I enjoyed teaching. I enjoyed being involved with people educating at a very early age. I started straight from when I qualified, got involved with it then and carried on ever since.
Dave's really sort of pushed the progression of photography in the college. As you said, when he started, there was only photography taught as part of the art and design courses, and now we've got his own learning pathway right down from level 2 right up to level 6.
What we always instill in the students here is you create an image rather than just taking a photograph. So it's an actual process you go through in your mind of creating an image, of making an image, rather than just taking a photograph. Because we firmly believe that you need the digital skills, yes, but you also need the traditional skills.
I think because he's so passionate about it, he instills this with everybody he works with. He's created a really good, passionate, enthusiastic team. The students see the passion, enthusiasm for the subject, and I think that's why it's done so well.
Getting students, in fact, coming in now. We interviewed a student last year for the degree course, and we said, who inspires you? And she said, oh, this girl here is a fantastic fashion photographer. She really inspires me. And I said, well, she's 2 years ahead of you on the degree course at the moment. She'd actually used her as an example of inspiration. She'd seen her work published.
He really instills in students this ability to achieve and to aim high, and as a result, they have been successful.
It's great to pass that on to other people and to see them progressing and developing. We get students that come right from our first diploma level right the way through, and we've just got a student who's graduated last year with an honours degree and now starting their own business.
Well done, Dave. It's a fantastic achievement, thoroughly deserved. Congratulations.
Amazing, I have to say. Just got to thank everybody here who nominated me, particularly Sharon, our head of school. The students on the degree course are an amazing group of students. They are A-star students all the way. So yeah, it's good to put something back with those students.